Hi, this is Mobile Experience again. Today I'm going to show you how to embed a video, a YouTube video, inside of a note in UpNote. I'll show you on both the desktop as well as the mobile app. Before we begin, please like and subscribe if you would like to see more videos on UpNote. But let's get right to it. The top right, click New Note. Give your YouTube video a catchy name. We're just going to call it YouTube. Hit Enter. Now go to your browser to the video that you want to embed. Click on the share button. You'll see a URL to the right of that. Click copy. Then you can close that small window. Go back to your UpNote. Click on the body of the note again. Now at the bottom right, almost to the very end where it says embed video, click that. It'll say, please insert a link. Right click on that and click paste. It processes for a moment. Click done. The blue check mark at the top right. Check that. Now let's see if it will play.
Hi, this is Chris with Mobile Experience.
And it plays just fine. Next up, we have the mobile app. How to do it on the mobile app. Let's swipe away our UpNote. Let's scroll over to where YouTube is. I already have a video in mind. Scroll down a little bit, click on the share icon, and click copy link. Now it's copied to the clipboard. Swipe that away. Open up your UpNote. Type on the little pencil icon, or pen, whichever you prefer. We'll call this YouTube 1. Actually, let's scratch that. Let's call this YouTube 2. Hit enter. Now you see a little plus icon above the Google symbol. Click that. Click embed video. Tap in there where it says please enter link. Click paste. It's processing. It's done. And click the done button. Then click the blue check mark to save the note. Now let's see if it will play. And it plays just fine. If you would like to see more videos on UpNote, please like and subscribe.